Hello friends, MiamiCOIndiana here. Just a real short video about something in a feature on the Shark Lift Away vacuum that I see a lot of people miss, and then they get kind of disturbed by tripping over the cord, because the cord on most Shark vacuums come out at the very bottom of the machine. So we're not going to turn the machine on, but I'm just going to show you. So when people go to use the machine, they have a cord just like on the floor. They get their feet tripped up in the cord, run over it with the sweeper. Well, there's a real nice solution to that that's built into the vacuum. It's the little clip that you'll see on the back of your machine. Whoops, right there. So you simply take your cord and you will just clip it right into the cord clip that a lot of people don't seem to know are on these machines. And I know a lot of you do, but hopefully this helps. So when you sweep, I'm not going to turn the vacuum on because it's noisy, but we'll act like we're sweeping here. Now you have the cord, as you can see, on the clip, so it's not on the floor near your way, and you're not going to run over it or trip over it. So make sure when you use the vacuum, put your cord on the cord clip, and it's going to make your use of the machine much easier. Hope this is helpful to someone. This is MiamiCOIndiana, and I also hope you have a great day today. So long.